Hey guys, back with another Model Y video. Was looking for a way to differentiate my Model Y from all the other Model Ys that are popping up here in the Idaho area. And so I went onto the Tesla website. I wanted something that was OEM and OEM made, and I found these Model Y mud flaps that they make. They add a nice dimension and kind of pop out to the vehicle structure. They're fit and molded perfectly to the frame of the car. Unfortunately, they only come with the front today. I wish there was a set for the back as well, but they only offer them for the front. They're $40 at the time of this video. There's two of them, so you get a right side and a left side. They're very easy to install. They do come with installation hardware, and there's a guide here that you can pull up to look at how to install them. So they come with these push clips that are a little bit longer than the push clips that are in there currently. So really all you have to do is pop out the ones that are in, fit this mud flap up to the holes in the clips, and then push the new clips in. So I'll show you how to do that. It only take a couple minutes, and then you can look at the finished product on the vehicle and see if it makes sense to put on your car. So here's what comes in the box. You have the two flaps, the left and the right. Here's the two holes that will mount to the vehicle itself, and then there's two clips that clip onto the side of the car as well. You can see this is rather flexible and bendy. So you're going to want to locate the two existing push clips that are on the front fender garnish, and we're going to have to remove those. First thing you're going to want to do though is turn the wheel using obviously the steering wheel, and rotate that so that you got enough room and clearance to work. And take a small screwdriver, fit it into the existing push clip, and they just simply pop out. It's relatively easy to do. Set those aside. You don't want to use those for the mud flap. We'll save them in case you replace the mud flap at some other point. You'll want to use these to push back in. But then you just kind of fit the mud flap against the fender, and the clips should be able to hold it on without even putting a push clip in it. And then you'll take the new push clips and press those in.